We're always making things in the lab. Hydraulics, robotics, circuits, slingshots, software, music. Cougar Labs is a hands-on creativity rocket ship. But COVID-19 scattered us. How could we learn hands-on when safety required us to keep hands off? We had to raise our creativity game, but that was no problem for us. We emulated a modern, dispersed workplace. I relocated our 3D print operation to my home lab. My wife's utility room became our manufacturing center. Each ninth grader became a single-person engineering and design shop. We collaborated over video conferencing and other modern communication means. Working remotely, they used browser-based CAD software to design their own custom keyrings. I printed their creations, and I have them awaiting delivery in my wife's dining room. Before, we were always making things in the lab. Now we're always making things wherever we are. At school or at home, it's a great day to be a Cougar.